Hey everyone, it's Sam from Raggedy Bits, and in today's video we're going to have a little fun making up this thrifted little pink canister into some cute Valentine's decor. So first up, I'm just going to fill the inside of the canister with some floral foam, and I'm just using little offcuts now just to sort of squeeze it all in so it's secure. And I'm just going to use a little bit of glue gun just to keep the whole form together. So now I'm going to take some book pages and I'm just going to scrumple those up and crinkle them up just to make them look like they're meant to be there and they've been there for a while. And I'm just going to create a bit of a flat base to start building a little vignette inside the canister. I also wanted to incorporate this beautiful scalloped lid. I just loved the scalloped edges of the tin and didn't want to just sort of like pop that aside and not use that. So I've sort of dug one edge of the lid into the floral foam, and I'm now just using some book pages at the back there just to stabilize it and make it very nice and secure. And I'll also be gluing bits and pieces at the front of it to secure it as well. And I'm just covering all that floral foam up, tucking in the bits down the side just to make sure that there's a nice flat platform. Now I found these little cute Kewpie dolls here in the Emporium at the lovely Renee's booth. She's here from Rusty Ridge, and I found I just had to somehow incorporate them into a little vignette. So I just found a little hole in the floral foam and I stuck her little legs in there and glued her into place. I like to use glue gun because you can most of the time pull it off plastics and metals and things like that. So if you ever did want to sort of like use these in something else, you can remove all of this and it's not permanent. So I just painted some little wooden hearts in a soft pink and the fusion cranberry, and I've just distressed the edges and I'm now just giving them a clear coat, a clear wax just to make the color pop. And now I'm going to start building my little vignette, and to start off I'm going to pop one of the little cranberry hearts onto the chest of the little Kewpie doll, and then I've just grabbed a printable. This is a beautiful vintage wallpaper printable, and you can find this one on my website. And I'm just going to be basically cutting out various sizes of circles, and I'm going to create little love hearts out of them. And the way to do that is just to basically concertina the paper backwards and forwards until you've finished that circle, and then you sort of fold it in half and then glue it together, and it creates this really cute little heart. I'm going to be doing that, as I said, with all different sizes, just so I can have a few, like a large, a medium and a small heart in this little vignette. You can have a lot of fun with making these. I've also, in the latest DIY surprise craft box, which I'm about to share with you all, we made some cute little projects doing this with a dinner plate. So you can do lots of fun things with it and lots of pretty paper. So I'm just finishing up with the larger heart. And now I'm just going to take one of the wooden hearts that I just painted in the soft pink, and I'm going to apply that to the larger heart. And then I've just got some skewers, wooden skewers, and I'm just going to apply those to the back of the little hearts just so we can turn them into a little picks. I got a little bit sidetracked here and went on and started to sort of age the edge with some of the Fusion espresso wax. And I'm just feathering that out with like a little stippling sort of a brush, just to create a nice aged effect. And I'm now going to start building up my vignette a little bit further. I sort of had them going at separate heights, and then I also just needed something behind the larger heart, so I just added an extra cranberry heart. And now I'm just going on, these were out from a printable that were included in the DIY surprise box. Inside the box I do exclusive printables, and these are just little words that I made up for the creatives to use, but I thought they would look super cute inside, on this vignette. So I'm just applying the Kewpie and the XOXO. I just mounted them on some cardstock just to give them a bit of stability because they are paper. And now you're just going to see me just starting to add some little wooden beads in pink and a buffalo check in the pink and white. And now I'm just going to start filling in the gaps with some greenery and some really soft pink flowers. And I'm just using my pencil just to get it right up into the back so they're all secure. And now I'm just bringing that greenery around to the front. And just letting some of that book page poke through because I love that look. And I'm also just like poking a little bit of glue up underneath some of the scrunched up book page just to poke more greenery in. And that way you don't see all the hot glue exposed. And next up I found these little white flowers, and I'm just popping a couple of those in the front just to add a little bit more dimension. Now I'm just taking some pink and white butcher's twine, and I've just applied that to the pink heart on the larger heart at the back there. And now I'm just going around with some Decopudge and some glass glitter, and I'm just going to start sprinkling around the edges of the hearts, anywhere that I just sort of feel like it needs a little bit of a sparkle. And I also sprinkled some also onto the greenery and the flowers as well. I always make sure that I've got a bit of baker's paper underneath too, just to catch any excess, and then I can always use that, put it back into the container and use it again. So now I'm just also going around the Kewpie on the front of the tin there. I hope you've enjoyed today's project. This was so fun. I really enjoy all the pretty pinks and the glitter all together. It's so cute. I just love how it turned out, and I hope you get to make one too. A friendly reminder that our second annual Whimsical Wares event is coming up on Saturday the 8th of February between 9 AM and 3 PM here at Raggedy Bits Emporium in North Richmond, where you're going to find over 33 booth holders with lots of fun wares. We hope to see you then. Thank you so much for watching.